Hey, this is Gary Kay from Rave and Beth Peterson from Legrand AV, and we are going to give you a look at a brand new product that nobody has seen before, debuting here on Replay Week of the launch replay from the Rave Agency. What is this little product here, Beth?
This is called the Conference Shot EPTZ. It's an auto-framing camera, and it's meant for huddle spaces in small conference rooms. It's video conferencing, so it's a USB. It also has HDMI. It has audio ins and outs. It's just this mighty little camera that we're really excited to have. Super wide field of view, so you can get real up close and personal with the camera. And it has the same auto-framing as our IntelliShot, so motion-based and highly configurable, so masking out busy areas, and it's all PoE powered. So we're really excited, and it's at a fantastic price point. It's our lowest price camera from Vadio, and we're really excited to get into a camera that's at this competitive price point. Yeah.
And I would like the my videographer here to come in really closely. This is you said it's PoE, but for USB, does it get power through USB, or do you have to power it separately when you're using USB?
It's PoE powered, and it's also network managed, so you can do remote network management.
But you can use it just as a USB camera as well?
For sure, yes.
Okay,
yep.
Good. You just use an external power supply for it? Yes. Okay, perfect. This is called the, what's it called again?
Conference Shot EPTZ.
Okay, Conference Shot EPTZ camera. Check it out on the Vadio website or at legrandav.com.